In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a landing page in WordPress step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Landing pages are perfect for promoting a service, collecting leads, or sending visitors straight to a call to action without distractions. We'll be using the built-in WordPress block editor, so there's no need for extra plugins or coding. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress website and head straight to your dashboard. This is the main control center where you manage your pages, posts, and site settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Pages. This will show you a list of all the pages currently on your website. Next, click on the page that you want to turn into a landing page. If you already have a page created, select it from the list. If not, you can create a new page, but for this tutorial, we'll continue by editing an existing one. Once you find the page, click on Edit. This will open the WordPress block editor, also known as the Gutenberg editor. Now that you're inside the editor, this is where the real work begins. To start building your landing page layout, click on the block inserter, which is the plus icon usually found at the top left of the editor or directly inside the page content area. When the block inserter opens, click on Patterns. Patterns are pre-designed layouts that make it very easy to build professional-looking pages quickly. From the Pattern section, browse through the available options and look for an About block or a layout that fits your landing page goal. Once you find one you like, click on it to insert it into your page. This gives you a solid structure that you can customize with your own text and images. You can now edit the headings, descriptions, and visuals to match your brand or offer. After setting up your main content, scroll down to the bottom of your page content and click there to add a call to action. Type /button and press Enter on your keyboard. This will insert a button block. On the button text, type Book on WhatsApp Now. This will be the main action you want visitors to take. Next, click on the link icon within the button settings. Paste your WhatsApp link there. The format should be y.me/ followed by your country code and your 10-digit mobile number. Make sure you replace the X's with your actual number so the link works correctly. Once added, your button will instantly allow visitors to contact you on WhatsApp with a single click. At this point, review your entire landing page. Make sure the content is clear, focused, and free from unnecessary distractions. Landing pages work best when they have one main goal, whether that's booking a call, sending a message, or signing up for something. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish or Update to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created a landing page in WordPress using blocks and patterns without any extra tools. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone who's building a WordPress website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.